DOA Director Ed Birn says the self-insurance program was to save money, lower rates, and improve benefits. But Senator Blas, whose family business is insurance, had lots of questions. For one, is there a special fund set up to set aside for the premiums paid by employees?
It's a very good question, and I actually don't really disagree with you that it should be shown as a special fund in here.
My fear here is that if there's not a fund that is created, an account that's created to be able to provide this, you know, the only other place that we put it is in that infamous general fund, okay? And God knows what happens when it goes in there.
The government, which already self-insures employee dental and pharmacy service, has set up separate special funds for those. But health insurance premiums are much larger and altogether will amount to about $140 million in premium collections. But Blas asks, how will the government mitigate its risk? What happens if payouts exceed collections? Birn says they'll take out stop-loss insurance,
which will enable us to offload exceptional losses in exchange for a premium for a reinsurer.
And that's going to be anticipated in this budget.
It's all anticipated in the rate.
But with the effective date approaching with the new fiscal year on October 1st, Blas isn't sure they're ready.
Now that we have said that we are now self-insured, we are insuring ourselves, we are the insurers. There are certain parameters, there are certain things that the insurers have to provide to be able to become relevant and solvent, to protect the interest of those insured.
But Birn says they aren't actually a new insurance carrier, and those sort of requirements don't apply.
I think, Senator, you, in the words that you read out, there has to be a policy. There is no policy.
There is, it's a law, Mr. Birn. It's a law. It's right here in statute.
Senator, you read out that this applies to a policy. We are not going to issue a policy.
Aren't we the insured? You say we are self-insured. What does that mean? We are insuring ourselves.
Okay. Well, obviously we're not going to agree on this. Okay. I will take what you say and I will take it to our lawyer, who's the Attorney General, and I will ask him for his advice.
Meanwhile, in a bid to answer the many questions that are arising, an informational briefing on the self-insurance program is scheduled for Friday, August 18th at the Congress Hall. Nestor Lecanto, KUAM News.